And to our brothers, our Taiwanese brothers and sisters, greetings from Palau and from the pristine paradise Palau.
那另外，在这边也要跟我们在台湾所有的兄弟姐妹们，带上来自帛琉这块人间净土最温暖的问候。
Today, accompanying me from Palau, with us today is His Excellency, Ambassador John Nyland, Hennessy Nyland from the United States of America, and his lovely wife. Also with us, your son, His Excellency Wallace Chow and his wife. I'm sure you're welcoming him here back home after a year in an asylum in Palau. He's learned a lot about Palau, and he's, I think, gotten well acclaimed and become quite an avid diver. In fact, he's, I think, a master diver now. You can ask him a lot about the marine biology and the beautiful things that you can see underwater in Palau.
那今天跟我同行的还有2位大使，一位是尼约翰大使，还有大使夫人。尼约翰大使是美国驻帛琉的大使。那第2位则是我们的周明干大使以及夫人。那周明干大使呢，我想他在我们帛琉这个避难了1年之后回来台湾，应该大家都非常欢迎他。那周大使已经对帛琉现在所知甚多，其实他在帛琉也是广受赞誉的一位大使。那在这1年多来呢，他学了很多潜水方面的技术，已经是专家了。对于帛琉美丽的海洋生态，大家可以多问他。
And it is, we are definitely excited to be here. This is Minister Wu. When you first visited us in January, I thought this day would never come. So we are definitely excited. We are ready and to be here to launch this special travel corridor. We like to call it in Palau a sterile corridor. Many refer to it as a bubble, which I believe will be the first between 2, I would call, COVID-free, COVID-safe countries.
那今天真的是非常非常的兴奋，可以来到台湾。吴部长之前1月来到我们帛琉的时候，那个时候跟他见面的我，还没有想到今天这一天会这么快就成真，所以真的是非常兴奋。那也很高兴，我们大家都准备好要来启动这一个帛琉台湾之间的，我们是叫做旅游廊道，或者是我们更常称之为这个无菌廊道。那我知道有一些人称之为泡泡，不过无论名称如何，我相信这样子的旅游模式都是绝无仅有的首例。
And this really is only possible because of the incredible work that your government, President Chai and your Ministry of Health has done over the past year in controlling, containing, and really keeping the people of Taiwan COVID safe.
那其实这个泡泡呢，我想也是第一个可以说是在疫情方面绝对非常安全、不需要担心的一个泡泡。那之所以能够有这样子的成就，也非常感谢蔡总统的领导，还有当然是台湾卫福部的努力之下，控制住疫情，才能够有这样子的成绩。